Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Cliff with Pink Flamingo Power Wash. I'm back with a brand new video for you guys. Today we're going to be doing the third installment to the NPR pressure washing truck. Today we're going to be getting the ladder rack built and installed and welded. I got Jamie here with Dynamic Mobile Welding. He's going to be doing the job for me. Just like I said, man, he's a small business guy, so I want to, help him out, give him some exposure, and hopefully grab a couple more clients, man. So if you guys haven't yet, go ahead and subscribe, like and comment to the video. If you got any questions, check out the other two videos of the first two installments that I did, one with myself and then one with my buddy Chris. So y'all stay tuned. Let's go see what this guy got going on. This is the job here. This is the business. You guys see his phone number. Give him a call if you got any welding needs. Mobile welding. Like I said, the truck is not registered yet, so I couldn't drive it, you know what I'm saying, to somewhere get it welded. We're gonna be using 2-inch square tubing, aluminum, all aluminum. Keep it uniform with aluminum bed. This is Jamie here. How you doing, Jamie?
Hey, how you doing, boss?
Welcome to my channel.
Yes, sir.
So I called him up last weekend, and we scheduled it for today. He beat me here actually because I was doing a job, and I appreciate you coming out to the job, man.
No problem.
Thank
Whenever,
you, man.
Yes, sir.
So I'm gonna set him up and let him go to work, guys.
All right. Yes, sir.
As you see, Jamie is cutting the railing off the sides since we don't really need them, just to make room. I then probably have room to actually move the IBC totes further to the outside or turn them sideways. Making good progress right now. Everything's gonna come out looking good, man. I can't wait to see this to the end. Ladder rack is gonna sit about 6 feet tall to the top, but the beams that go across for the ladder to lay down is gonna be about 5 feet, which is probably just about a foot over the IBC totes. Alright guys, we're making good progress. Got the side frames put up already. Nice wheels. Pretty sure he's gonna put some more in there. Just right now he's just setting it up so we know where everything's gonna go before we get down to it. Our top of the cage, or ladder rack I should say, is gonna be about 9.5 feet from the ground. We're gonna have the beams, the second layer where the actual ladders is gonna lay. We're gonna put those at 5 feet from the bed. Alright guys, checking on the progress. Everything is coming along pretty good. Got the middle frame put up for the ladder. Got that box up top for the advertisement banner that's gonna go across the top. Like he's putting some bracing on the corners for some extra support. Try not to look at that doggone welder. Pretty good job so far, man. This man know what he's doing. You guys, we all finished with the job. Everything came out great. Looking good, looking good. So, nah, you good. Jamie did a pretty good job on this project. Let's go check it out. So this is it here. All welded up, all welded up.
Let me move it, let me move it, let me try to move it, let me see.
Look, he's moving the whole bed. So we did 3 bars across, just in case if I have a smaller ladder or whatever, I can just put it, you know what I'm saying, put it right here. You don't have to worry about it tipping over. I mean, this thing is on here, looking pretty good, man. It gives the truck a whole new look. Can't beat that, man. Look at that. My man did a fantastic job. He's gonna actually come back to do the bottom area where I told you guys I'm gonna box in, so I can have more storage room. The next time he comes, he's gonna put some sheeting down here for me, box this area in, and we're gonna do 2 doors, 1 on each side, and close this up for more storage. But this thing looking good, looking amazing, good work. If you guys need any services, man, y'all know who to reach. Dynamic Mobile Welding. This is his number right here in Tampa, Florida. Let's go talk to him now. So Jamie, where are you service?
Well, I serve all Central Florida.
Okay.
I do Central Florida. I mean, like I said, if you guys call me and you guys tell me I could help you out, and you know, like I said, I'll go anywhere. You know what I mean?
You hear the
anywhere
man.
in Florida.
There you go.
You know, I'm about it. You know, I'm
There
about
you
to
go.
work. I love what I do, so I'll go wherever for it.
There you go. You guys see, man, the man got a nice rig for his business. He's serious about this. Anybody that got a big truck like this here, that man say he ready to ride. He ready to ride everywhere you got work. He's coming to you, Central Florida. If you need any kind of work, just give him a call. The number is right here. He's also on Instagram. Go check him out, man.